Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about making money. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding passive income and basics of investing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's fast-paced world, the quest for financial independence has never been more relevant. Making money isn't just about landing a high-paying job, it's about exploring various avenues that can lead to financial growth and stability. In this video, we'll dive into a range of methods to make money, from traditional employment to side hustles, investments, and even passive income streams. Understanding these options is crucial, especially in an economy that demands financial literacy. With the right knowledge, you can make informed decisions that will set you on the path to financial success. We'll discuss how to identify opportunities that align with your skills and interests, ensuring that your efforts are both rewarding and sustainable. But we won't stop at just theory. This video promises actionable tips and insights that you can implement right away. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or embark on a new career path, you'll leave with practical strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with minimal effort or active involvement once the initial setup is complete. Unlike active income, which requires continuous work, like a paycheck from a job, passive income allows you to earn money while you sleep, travel, or pursue other interests. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom. There are numerous sources of passive income, each with its unique benefits. Real estate investments, for instance, can provide rental income, while dividend-paying stocks offer a way to earn money from your investments without selling them. Other options include creating digital products, affiliate marketing, or even peer-to-peer lending. The significance of building passive income streams cannot be overstated. By diversifying your income sources, you create financial security and reduce reliance on a single paycheck. Over time, these streams can grow, providing you with a safety net and the freedom to pursue your passions. Ultimately, investing in passive income is not just about making money, it's about creating a lifestyle where you have more control over your time and financial future. Investing basics. Investing is a crucial component of wealth accumulation and financial security. By putting your money to work, you can grow your wealth over time, outpacing inflation and building a nest egg for the future. Understanding the fundamentals of investing is essential for anyone looking to achieve long-term financial goals. There are various investment vehicles available, each with its own risk and return profile. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but they also come with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans to governments or corporations and typically provide more stable, lower returns. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those who prefer a hands-off approach. For those just starting, it's important to remember that you don't need a lot of money to begin investing. Starting small allows you to learn the ropes and gain confidence. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investments. The key is to start today, as time is one of the most powerful tools in building wealth through investing. Side hustles for extra income. In today's economy, side hustles have become a popular way to supplement income and achieve financial goals. There are numerous options available, each catering to different skills and interests. Freelancing is a great choice for those with expertise in writing, graphic design, or programming, allowing you to work on projects that fit your schedule. Tutoring is another rewarding side hustle, especially for those who excel in subjects like math or languages, providing both flexibility and the chance to make a positive impact on students' lives. Ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft offer a straightforward way to earn extra cash by driving in your spare time. The flexibility of these side hustles is one of their biggest advantages. You can choose when and how much you want to work, making it easier to balance with your primary job or other commitments. Potential earnings vary, but many side hustles can significantly boost your income if you dedicate time and effort. The key is to find a side hustle that aligns with your skills and passions, ensuring that it's not only profitable but also enjoyable. Start exploring your options today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Budgeting and saving strategies. Effective budgeting is a cornerstone of managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By creating a budget, you gain a clear understanding of your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about where your money goes. This practice not only helps you avoid overspending but also enables you to allocate funds for savings and investments. One popular method for budgeting is the 50-30-20 rule. This simple framework suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to needs such as housing and groceries, 30% to wants like entertainment and dining out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This approach provides a balanced way to manage your finances while still enjoying life. Setting specific savings goals is another crucial aspect of effective budgeting. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, having clear targets can motivate you to stick to your budget. Additionally, tracking your progress regularly helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Building a business. Starting and growing a successful business is an exciting journey that begins with identifying a viable business idea. This process often involves brainstorming your interests and skills, followed by conducting thorough market research to understand your target audience and competition. Knowing what potential customers need and how your business can meet those needs is crucial for success. Once you have a solid idea, creating a comprehensive business plan is essential. This document outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections, serving as a roadmap for your venture. A well-crafted business plan can also help you secure funding, whether through personal savings, loans, or investors. Exploring various funding options is vital as it can provide the necessary capital to launch and grow your business. As you embark on this entrepreneurial journey, remember to leverage your skills and passions. Building a business around what you love not only increases your chances of success, but also makes the process more enjoyable. Stay committed, be adaptable, and continuously seek opportunities for growth. With determination and the right strategies, you can turn your business dreams into reality. Conclusion: in this video, we explored a variety of methods to make money, from passive income streams and investing basics to side hustles and effective budgeting strategies. Each of these avenues offers unique opportunities for financial growth and stability, allowing you to take control of your financial future. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action. Whether you decide to start a side hustle, invest in stocks, or create a budget, the important thing is to begin. Setting clear financial goals and actively working towards them can lead to significant changes in your financial landscape. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care